Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Angry with you, and today I got a new video for you guys. And today we're gonna be talking about the word security plugin, right? So if you don't know how to install this, just go into add new plugin, right? And just search for WordFence security and just add it, right? Then just search for it. It's gonna be the first result on the left, right? So I'm just gonna activate this because I already have this installed. You can also install WordFence login security in case that you want to secure your login page. As mentioned, this is an extra plugin, so just bear that in mind, but it does offer extra security. So just make sure that you have this activated. Of course, with WordPress security, you can also use the premium version of it. In order for it to actually work, you must install a license to continue using WordFence. So that is fine. You can actually install a license by actually signing up for it. So get your WordFence license. Basically, there is a free license. So, like real-time protection, if you want real-time protection, you can use the premium plugin. However, this is for the free one, right? So it will just send you an email of the registration file, right? So I'm just gonna blur my emails and I'm just gonna register this. I have read and agree and press no if you don't want alerts. So it's just gonna process for a second. As you can see, you're almost done. Your license key has been sent to the email. So install my license automatically, or you can just copy the manual license. So as you can see, there's the license, the emailed one. Install an existing license, right? Then just add in your email at the top, right? And then install license. You can also select if you want alerts, yes or no. I would advise you to press yes if you are more interested about getting frequent updates about what's happening on your firewall and your malware scanner. As you can see, it is working right now. It's going to give you a dashboard, easily monitor your WordFence protection. What is really cool about this is that it does have an actual firewall, right? So if you get attacked by anybody over here, it's going to be shown, as you can see over here, what's going on, right? So right now we do not have anyone, of course, trying to attack us because we are on a local host. So as you can see on the screenshot right in front of you, this is a production environment. So I have just a couple of IPs locked over here. You have the United States, you have Russian Federation, Germany, Bulgaria. You have a couple of complex attacks, and what IPs basically, I just blurred them for the viewers, but however, here they are. These are the last attacks that happened in the last 7 days on a production website that I have. So basically, this is how the firewall should look like. This is WordFence security. It does offer a firewall, does offer a scan, which is a malware scanner. So you can basically just scan the whole website for malware if you find files that have been changed, right? It will show you this. Right, so here are the scan results. This took a long time because I'm scanning a development environment. So as you can see, checked around like 40,000 URLs, themes, plugins, posts, because I have unit tests. So that is a lot. So it's just giving me that there's an issue over here in some theme. It has node modules. So sometimes node modules are like they appear in the WordPress security plugins as they are a vulnerability. They might be actually a vulnerability. However, this is a development environment. I do not add node modules in a production environment. However, I just wanted to show you how the scan would look like after it's done. All right, one last thing before we end the video. There's an option that's called login security, which I added the plugin for it at the beginning of the video just to show it for you guys. So basically what this does is basically changes the WordPress admin or the login or the sign in URL. So just make sure if you're actually using this, just make sure you don't lock yourself out, right? So you can run this in test mode. I would advise you to use like a free web hosting website for actually getting this to deployment so you don't break your website, or using something like a subdomain to test this on. It is an extra security layer you can add, which is pretty good as well. Right, so that is pretty much it, you guys, for the WordFence security plugin. Comment and like, subscribe. Tell me what you guys think about the video. Also, if you have any comments, let me know down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. This was Angry Video, and peace, you guys.